From this video, you will learn how to multiply 3-digit numbers. So from this example, you will learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by 3-digit number. From this example, you will learn how to multiply a 3-digit number with decimal by another 3-digit number with decimal. So let's start with this problem. So you need to multiply this number by 3. So 3 times 5, 15. Write 5, carry 1. 3 times 4, 12 plus 1, 13. Write 3, carry 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Right? So let us cross these 3. Now you need to start with 2. 2 times 5, that gives us 10. So if you start with 2, look, 2 is in second column. So first column will have 0. 2 times 5, 10. So write 0, carry 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 4, 2 times 2, 4. Then look, you need, now we have done with 2. At last we have here 1. So 1 is in third column. So first 2 column will have 0. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 2, 2. Now you need to add 5, 0, 0, that is 5. 3, 0, 0, that is 3. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 equal to, look, 11, 1, 1, 2. 21. So write here 1 and carry 2. 2, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10. Write 0, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So look, this is the result, right? This is the result or answer. Okay, now we will do multiplication for this problem. So let's start with 4. 4 times 3 equal to what? 4 times 3 equal to 12. Write 2, carry 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, that is 9. 4 times 1, 4. Cross it. And now start with 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 is in second column, so one's column will have 0. Then look, 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1, that is 3. Okay, cross this 3. So this 2 column will have 0. Now start with 2. 2 is in third column, right? 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 1, 2. Now you need to add 2, 0, 0, that is 2. 9 plus 9 equal to what? 18. Write 8 and carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 12. 5, 12 equal to 17. Right? 7, carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8, then 2. So this is the result, right? Okay. Now we'll solve this third problem. This problem, right? So look, don't think about decimal, just multiply these two numbers as normal. 3 times 3, that is 9. 3 times 9, 27. Write here 7, carry 2. 3 times 8, 24. 24 plus 2, 24 plus 2, 26. Now you need to multiply by these two. 3 cross, write 0. 2 times 3, that is 6. 2 times 9, 18. Write 8, carry here 1. 2 times 8, 16 plus 1, 17. Okay, so we have done with 2. So now we need to multiply by this 1. So first 1 is in third column, so first 2 column will have 0. 1 is in third column, first two column will have 0. Cross the 2. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 9, 9. 1 times 8, 8. Now add 9, 7 plus 6, 13. Right, 3 carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Right, 8 carry 1. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Right, 19 carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 8, 10. So now at last you need to place the decimal point in the answer. After decimal, here we are getting 1 digit, 2 digit, here 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, you need to start from right to left, and you need to place decimal after 4th digit. So this is the answer, right? I hope, believe, and expect that now you know how to multiply 3-digit numbers easily.